friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing the Divine Diva subscription for the month of February 2018. This subscription is priced at rupees 699. In addition, you have to pay a shipping cost. This is how the box has come to me. It has all the details of the subscription and how you can order it with a logo here. So let's open it and see what all we have received. So these are all the things that I have got. As usual, the box is filled to the brim and we have got a beautiful card from Divine Diva which says Happy Valentine's Day. Then there is a card from Humblebee and it gives you a code to get a 30% off. So Humblebee definitely is a good brand, and friends, if you do want, please use the code. Then I have some leaflets from Seabuddy, super soft. So some instructions on it, we'll see it. And then again Sidoso. So I think these are all the brands which are available and it is exclusively for Divine Diva box. So these are all the products and the details. So let's get into the box, guys. The first thing to come out of it is this small bag. It's a nice silk bag with a lace here and you can use it to carry small things. So this is the free gift, I guess, for pre-booking the subscription. Quite a nice gift. I like this. Then I can see a lot of chocolates here and they look yummy, delicious, and I'm eager to open it and eat it. So I will do it as soon as the video is done. The next product that I have received is a lipstick from the brand Eleanor, and I had heard about this brand though I did not own this brand earlier, and this is priced at rupees 599 and the shade I have chosen is it's L12 Current. So you do get some options to choose from and this is the shade which I chose. So let's open it and see the shade. And Eleanor is supposed to be a organic brand. So this is how the shade looks and the lipstick stick. So this is the color. It is a very beautiful color and it's a berry color. This color is going to look perfect on me and on many other Indian skin tones. So this is just a perfect color to go with fair, medium or a dark skinned person. So let me swatch it for you. This is how the swatch looks. It's a nice shade and I quite like this. So I'm happy to get this brand too. Then comes the jewelry. So I have received two pieces of jewelry. So let's open the first one. So this is how the earring looks. It's quite nice. I quite liked it. So you can use just this front part or you can use it along with this too. So this is a detachable part. Particularly you are having an additional earring, and this when used just like this is going to look very, very classy, elegant, fantastic for a daily wear or a formal wear basically, and with this it is perfect to be going out. So a nice pair of earring. I did like this earring quite a lot. And this is the second pair of earrings. This is how it looks. Again, a very classy piece. Looks very, very nice and stylish. So this time I have liked both the earrings. They both look very nice and are very, very usable. The next product I have received is from one of my favorite brands, and that is Mom's Therapy. It's a body oil, a 50 ml product, and these are all the ingredients that are there in this body oil. It has a first cold press black sesame oil, vitamin E and essential oil. So this is a very, very good oil. The smell is nice too. I mean, I quite like this oils and I like all the products from Mom's Therapy. It's a very, very good brand. I'm very happy to get this, and it is worth rupees, I think 289 or something. Yeah, but close to rupees 300. I'm quite happy to get this brand too and this product. The next product is from one of the most upcoming brands, Humblebee, and again I have used many of the products from Humblebee and I have loved each and every product that I have used. So this is a body wash in the variant strawberry with tea tree oil. It has a seal here and the price of this product is 399 rupees, and these are the contents of the product. It has got vegetable glycerin, it has got tea tree oil, it has got fragrance, it has got vitamin E, and it has color. It's a 100 ml product and it is worth rupees 399. So as you all know, friends, tea tree oil is quite an useful oil, and it really has antibacterial and anti-infection properties. So this sort of a combination which has vitamin E, tea tree oil and glycerin glycerin will make a very good combination for a body wash, and I'm quite happy to get this. The fragrance too is quite nice. So this definitely is a good product. Look forward to using this too. The next product that I have received is this face moisturizer from BioBloom. It has got vanilla, jojoba oil and cucumber in it, and it is suitable for all skin types. It's a 100 ml product, and this is again priced at rupees 399. The manufacturer and expiry date has been mentioned here. The ingredients are mentioned here. Just look at it. It has got cucumber juice, aloe vera extract, vegetable glycerin, stearic acid, jojoba oil, olive oil. So all the products seem very interesting and very promising. I am sure this is going to be a refreshing and cooling face moisturizer and not going to be anything which is very heavy. I'm quite happy to get this moisturizer also. With the summers coming up very soon, I think it is a perfect transition from a winter to a summer and would be very useful. So I'm very happy to get a product from BioBloom again. Again, this is one of the brands which I do like, and I am quite happy getting this products too. Friends, the next product is awesome, absolutely awesome. It is a roll-on perfume from Sidosov in the fragrance Firdaus, and friends, the price is rupees 500 for this tiny bottle, but you will not believe the fragrance which is just spreading across the entire room. I have not even opened the pack yet, but the fragrance is very nice. I quite like this. I quite honestly love this product. And then comes the last product of this box. It is a Sea Buddy, the anion chip napkin. It's a trial pack and it has 3 pieces in it. It has 1 day use pad, it has a 1 night use pad and a 1 panty liner. This seems to be quite an interesting product. It talks about having some 7 layers in it, and one of which is an anion chip, so it keeps it odorless, it keeps it dry. It also claims to reduce the irritation and improve the antibacterial capability. I really do not understand the concept behind it and how it is going to function, but yes, it does claim all these things. It also says it is eco-friendly and it is biodegradable. It has 7 layers and each of the pack is packed in a disposable bag made by the children of Navjyoti, an NGO. So when you buy this product, you are also helping these children. This is the leaflet which talks about it. So yes, I am happy to get this product too. So overall, these are all the products that I received in the Divine Diva subscription of February 2018. I am very impressed by this subscription. I think by far this is one of the best subscriptions of the month, and all the products are quality products. So friends, I honestly believe you should not miss this subscription, especially if you are a skincare lover. It has a perfect blend of skincare, women hygiene products, makeup, perfume and jewelry, and not to forget the chocolates. So yes guys, go ahead and order yours. I love this subscription. I'm honestly very impressed by the way Divine Diva subscription is growing every month and the fabulous job they are doing. So with this, we come to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did friends, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Look forward to hear from you. Share some love. Bye for now. Love you all.